I think I messed up. Don't make the same mistake I did. Here's why you need an anti-static wrist strap. Static electricity is invisible but deadly to your PC components. One tiny zap can fry your expensive hardware. That's where an anti-static wrist strap comes in. It grounds you, making sure any static charge you're carrying gets safely discharged. It's like an insurance policy for your build, and it's super easy to use. Just clip it to your case and strap it on your wrist. Boom! You're protected. Fun fact, walking on carpet can build up to 25,000 volts of static electricity. Imagine what that could do to your shiny new graphics card. So before you start piecing together your epic rig, remember, safety first. Get that anti-static wrist strap and build with confidence.